Hello, my name is Oscar with O&D General Contractors. Today is July 3rd, 2024. We are in District High about to do a repair tent for State Farm. But before I start with my repair tent, I'm going to show you an overview of the front slope and then take you to the back slope of this townhome. Okay. We found some damages, some wind damages, missing shingles right here in the front. They also have a leak inside in the back, so missing shingle right there. That's where we're gonna conduct our repair tent. Okay, here's another one right here, and they have a leak right here. In order for us to repair this pipe, because it's not just a pipe, okay, also the pipe was rotted, okay, underneath, because we went into the attic and took a look of the plywood. In order for us to properly repair that, we have to replace the plywood. By replacing the plywood, okay, we're gonna have to apply with a 4x A area. We're gonna have to, it's a major repair, replacing all this shingle. And by replacing all the shingle, okay, we're afraid that we're gonna compromise the rest of the shingle on this slope, okay. So he has a major leak right there, and it's not just about replace the pipe, it's also about replace the plywood underneath, because the plywood is rotted. Once again, to do that, we compromise the whole slope. So now let me take you back to the front slope where we're going to be conducting our repair tent. Oh, also before I forget, he has aluminum fascia missing right here that it was blown off. And as you can see, if this doesn't take we don't take care of this, okay, it's gonna keep getting rotted, and then the problem is gonna be major. So this has been going on for a while now. Still, we can save it, okay, but it's getting rotted because every time it rains, and also water might be going in there because it's not covered. So probably about 6 feet of aluminum fascia that have to be replaced, and to match it, we probably gonna have to do the whole thing. About 24 linear feet of aluminum fascia that needs to be replaced on this right here. So now let me take you back to the front slope and display the process pretty much, okay, of what we're gonna be doing over here. So in order for us to replace this shingle right here, which is a 3-tap, probably 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, that's the shingle that we replace. We have to break the seal of the shingle above. We break the seal of this, and we also break the seal of that. Hopefully by doing all of this procedure, we don't damage the shingle above, okay, and compromise the roof. Okay, so I got some extra help today with me. Stay with me while we conduct this repair tent. Now, can you bring it close? One of the problems that we're having right now, okay, by replacing this piece right here is that we create more damage to the piece or to the shingle above. If you see right here, not only that we're losing granule, but also we're creating damages right here. Look, look. We try to keep it less than 45 degrees, but with the shingle being, you know, this old and brittle, it was really hard. You know, look at this right here. It's losing a lot of granule, and look at that right there, the crease. Not only that we broke the seal, and this it's gonna be hard for this to like glue back down. The wind is gonna come under, and this is gonna start flap, and after a while, we're gonna lose this one too. We're gonna lose this, and that. Okay. Because of that, I don't think this roof is repairable. Try to do this, you know, like look. Now we have to do more repairs. So to mitigate this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna install a tarp. I already got a tarp right there. We're gonna install it right here just to make sure the wind doesn't create no more damages, you know, no further damages. So this roof is not repairable, and that's all I have. Thank you guys.